Let's check up on the Dover. What the fuck? Oh shit, it under level. You hear the relays. $1,500. Oh. What? The fuck? What is that? Sorry, what? Wanna run back by me again? What? So this thing, I like these guns though. Whoops. Sorry, not sorry. There's your Dover D. Oof. What the fuck? What?
You lost?
No, this thing is just like stopped and it was like.
Where you going?
Oh, I'm going down. It went up on me. Do you want to go down?
No, I'm walking.
All right.
Safe.
Yeah, this thing's dangerous. How we going, bro? This thing's so weird. Although I love that black button COP. If I get stuck in another elevator this weekend, oof, or this week. Nice old Pepsi machine. Listen to those relays. Oh, it doesn't do it on this one.
Is it working?
Yeah.